People that scream when you sneeze. What's your deal? One day I became a dad. The rest is history. Casting out demons is noisy work. A friend of mine shouts sneeze whenever he sneezes. I think it's hilarious. Like a good orgasm, all about the release. I had a coworker who would vocalize every yawn. Oh. I wonder what the Venn diagram between loud sneezers and yawners is like. It's so much more satisfying to just get that out of your system. Trust me, I don't do it on purpose. I tried to stifle it, but a lot of times my attempts at doing so instead cause a much harsher and louder sneeze, and them shits hurt.